Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here anisole is given in para position. Here you have isopropene group. Here they are using the reagent which is also compound with ester, and you are using copper acetyl acetonate. You have to find what will be the final product. Here the important concept you should learn is the intermediate formation. The starting metal you have nitrogen. Nitrogen is a good leaving group. Even with little trier you will get the final product. The starting metal you are heating, in presence of metal you have the carbene there. Carbene is an extremely reactant species. Try to involve in the reaction. The starting metal you have as alkene. You are reacting with carbene. Here you will learn the new concept is called insertion. The alkene reacts with carbene, you form trimember cyclopropane strain full ring. Here I given 1,2 carbon. The 1,2 carbon become the bonded one. So you have new CC bond formation. Here the concept you have to learn here is carbene. Whenever you have the substrate with very good leaving group and you have heating it up, you might exploit the carbene formation. Carbene has the possibility of carbon insertion reaction. Carbene has the possibility to undergo insertion reaction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.